Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the Play Store or App Store and check and you have the latest version for your audio player. If you haven't, I recommend it to update it. Next step is to restart your phone. I use this earbuds with a phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, I recommend it to restart this tablet. And if it doesn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds. No, you don't need to put it. Sorry, not this time, not for these earbuds. So you need to open Backbeat application and then, of course, your earbuds should be added to the app. You go to the settings at the right top and at the bottom we have reset settings. Then click reset headset and again reset headset. Now we need to wait until this reset finished and then click done. After that we need to reconnect them with the phone and it automatically reconnect them with the application. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And if you have Android, click pair new device button, but not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so tap at your earbuds at the device list and then click pair. Then it will ask you to pair the left earbud and you need to click pair again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!